Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. Hey everyone, in today's Bricks Builder tutorial, we will be going over why your post content is not showing up in the Bricks Builder front end or the front end of your website that uses Bricks Builder. So, you're editing your post content and everything looks good on the back end. And once you go to preview it on the front end, nothing shows up, right? So, there's two possible reasons why, and they're kind of related to Cheddar, and we'll go into that right now. Okay, so I have this post here, right? So I will type whatever. I'm in the Bricks editor right now. I will type just this random sentence right here. And then I'm going to go preview it. And then when I preview it, the sentence doesn't show up on the front end. Okay, so why is this happening? So the two reasons are kind of related to each other, and they both have to do with the single post template of it. So if you do not have a single post template yet, I highly encourage you to make one. And we created a Bricks tutorial on how to make your single post template, and we'll post it here in the video and in the description box. So if you're created your single post template, get the two likely causes of your content not showing up is one, your single post template does not have a post content element in it. And two is that your post content element, if you have it in there, is pulling from the wrong data source. Okay, let's go and I'll show you what I mean. Hey, we've got a quick favor ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel in these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. Okay, so if you do have a single post template already, if it does not have this element here, the post content element, then the content from your posts will not show up if this template is active. So that's something really easy that you could check to see if your single post template has the post content element. And if you have it in there, you choose your data source, WordPress or Bricks. And this brings me to the second possible cause of your content not showing up in your posts. And that is because even though you have the post content element in your single post template, it is pulling from the wrong data source. See, right here, we click on the post content element. Right here in this pane, it says data source, and you could choose either WordPress or Bricks, right? So if you're editing, if your post content elements pulled from WordPress, it will only pull content from the WordPress editor. And if your data source is Bricks, it will only pull content that you edit with the Bricks editor, right? And so the solution to that is very easy. You just select the correct data source, right? So if you plan on using Bricks editor for all your content, then choose Bricks. And of course, if you want to switch back and forth between WordPress editor and Bricks editor, then you should put in both. You should put in two post content elements in your single post template. One will pull data from Bricks and one will pull data from WordPress. I'm not saying that's the optimal solution, but that is the solution if you like to switch back and forth between the two editors. Okay. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you found your solution. Hope you found this video helpful. And if it was helpful for you, please, please, please click that thumbs up button It'll really help us out. It'll let YouTube know that our content is helpful. And as always, remember to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified of new tutorials that are coming out. Okay. Thank you. Bye.